I think one thing I would say, and I'm going to give you two, but I think one thing I would say is do not mix your business and your personal money, right? You lose your protection when you do that, right? Because what happens if, let's say, you're bringing money into the business by paying something on your personal credit card for the business, right? And so once you start mixing those, if you get into any kind of trouble, say you get into a car accident or something happens, and we're a very litigious society, right? Everybody wants to sue everybody. And they start looking into your books and they start saying that you're paying some business expenses out of the personal side. Oh, well, it's not really a separate legal entity. It's not really protected as a corporation or an LLC. So we can attack that too. And you do not, no matter what you do not want to do that. So I always tell people, if you need to use personal money, and we all have downturns, right? Mm-hmm. It's like sometimes we need to throw some capital in. That's fine. We all have to do that once in a while. Then take a deposit from your personal account, put the deposit in your business account, and do what you need to do. But don't pay from your personal account. That's the difference. You can transfer money in, and you want to make sure you record it as a capital contribution, not as income. Because if you're not communicating with your accountant or your bookkeeper or whoever's doing your books, they just see a deposit coming in. You don't want them to tag that as revenue, right? You don't want to be taxed on that. And so I think that's an overall piece that I think is important. And the other thing I'm gonna add to it is educate yourself in whatever way you can. Talk to people. You don't have to go around spouting off what your debt is or how much money you made, but talk to people. What works for you? What do you find helpful? What's a good system? How do you do that? We need to communicate with each other. We all are in the same boat, right? And so we need to rely on our fellow business owners and homeowners and people that we trust to kind of see what they've been doing and how that can help.